Hello students, today I will continue with the chapter the case study Lumberjacks of Canada and the life in the Amazon basin. In my last video I have discussed about the 4 activities involved in the process of lumbering, that is the high riggers, sawyers and the buckers, the skidders and the haulers or the river drivers. So these are the 4 group of people who are involved in the process of lumbering. Now lumbering is a continuous process. Only cutting of trees is not the means. That means if lumbering is to carried on for a prolonged period, then again new trees are to be planted. So lumbering does not mean that only, or it does not involve only the cutting of trees or the felling of trees. It also involves keeping the forest safe for future generation. So that the process of lumbering can be carried on for a longer period of time. Now what are the methods adopted in this process of lumbering so that it can be kept safe for the future generation? First of all, planting saplings where it has been cut. So we all know what is the meaning of deforestation. Deforestation means indiscriminate cutting down of trees. Without any reason, cutting down of trees is known as deforestation. Afforestation means planting of more and more trees. What is reforestation? A place where a tree is cut, there again 2 saplings are planted. Saplings means thus the small plants, they are known as the saplings. So first thing is that, so it is ensured that where a tree is cut, again 2 saplings are planted, so that after say 60 or the 70 years, according to the maturity of the tree or the lifespan of the tree, it will again grow. Number 2, having the fire fighting squads who detect fires early and prevent them from spreading. In my online class, dear students, I have told you most probably that in the forest sometimes fire catches in the forest. Now if the forest is continuous, then it is dangerous. That means if a fire catches in one forest, then the entire forest will be destroyed. So for that, in between the forest a patch of land is cleared. This line, a gap between 2 forests is cleared. This is known as the fire line. Please remember, a gap between 2 forests to prevent forest fire, the spreading of the forest fire, this is known as the fire line. Now here also the fire fighting squads, like you have seen the fire brigades, if anywhere in any building fire catches, then they are asked to move immediately to of the fire. Similarly, the firefighting squads who detects fire, because it's a huge forest where fire has taken place, it is their responsibility to detect that where fire has taken place, and they will prevent it from spreading, so that minimum number of trees or the forest should be destroyed, so that their responsibility is to save the spread of fire. Most important is educating tourists about the dangers of letting even a spark of fire fall on the dry coniferous forest. So many a time the tourists who visit there, suppose by mistake out of smoking they throw the litter of a cigarette or something, a match, then because the forest is dry, so it can catch fire. So they should be well educated how to protect the forest. And the last is to protect the forest, spraying large areas of forest with pesticides to fight pests like the spruce birdworm. So it's a type of insect which will spread very fast and it spoils the forest. So these are the steps which should be taken to prevent the forest for the future generation. Next we will discuss about the geographical factors that had a great impact on the occupation and life of the people in the northern Canada. We will discuss that why the people in the northern Canada, they are practicing this lumbering. First of all, the climate plays an important role. We have already discussed the cool and the short summers does not allow cultivation or agriculture. So the people there depend to some extent, a great extent, on the process of lumbering. So this forces the people to look for alternate occupation, as agriculture is not possible there because of the two reasons. One is short summers and the cool and the short summers. The summers are also very cool and they are very short because it is close to the taiga. And so naturally the people have to find out another alternative way to earn their livelihood. Number 2, the climate encourages the growth of thick stand of coniferous trees that are ideal for making paper and for construction. So as agriculture is not possible, the climate here supports the luxurious growth of the coniferous trees, which are used for the paper industry as well as for the construction purpose. So this is also one way how lumbering is promoted. And last is the terrain, the type of land. A terrain means the type of land, whether it is flat or a plateau or a hilly. But this region, the flat nature of the terrain makes the felling of the trees and carrying the trees from the forest to the out. So these are the transporting is much easier because the land is plain. So it will be easy for the lumberjacks to take the logs after felling to take it out of the forest. So this is what we have discussed about the life of the lumberjacks in Canada. Life of the lumberjacks in Canada. Today we will start with another new part, another case study, that is the Amazon basin. The Amazon basin, situated in the northern part of South America. You know that Amazon is the name of a river, as well as Amazon is the name of the largest forest, and it is in the northern part of South America. It is in the northern, which includes the area drained by the Amazon river. Let me tell you what is the meaning of drain. That means this entire region, the river Amazon flows through, that is known as the drained by. So which are the regions it flows through is known as the drained by the Amazon river and its tributaries. So Amazon, along with Amazon, its tributaries drains the total region. Now it stretches over the countries of Bolivia. Which are the countries that it covers? Bolivia, Peru, Suriname, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana, Venezuela, Brazil and Guyana. So please remember that these are the regions which are drained by the river Amazon. I repeat once again, they are the Bolivia, Peru, Suriname, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana, Venezuela, Brazil and Guyana. So these are the countries through which the Amazon flows. Most of the Amazon basin is covered by the Amazon rainforest. This tropical rainforest is one of the richest areas in the world in terms of biodiversity. So biodiversity means it's a place where different types of species are found. So this is the another case study that we are discussing, that is the life in the Amazon basin. Next is the vegetation. What type of vegetation takes place in the Amazon? The Amazon basin is home to more than 2/3 of the plant species. So the total plant species, 2/3 of the plant species is found in the Amazon, because it's such a huge area that 2/3 of the plant species are found in the Amazon. Plants and trees commonly found here include the rubber tree, the giant kapok, the Brazil nut, cocoa, banana, coffee and orchid. So these are the main type of trees which are found in the Amazon rainforest. Many of the plants found here are prized for their medicinal value. Prized for their medicinal value, that means these plants are very much essential for manufacturing of medicines. So it has got a lot of medicinal value. The dense Amazon rainforest plays a critical role in regulating the global climate. That means how a forest controls the global climate. Because of the presence of large number of trees, it causes rainfall. So in this way, by causing rainfall, it maintains the temperature of the temperature. So the temperature, global temperature. So in this way, the Amazon rainforest, which is considered to be the largest forest, it plays a major role in maintaining or in regulating the global climate. So next is the animal life. The Amazon basin is home to a wide variety of animals. We have already discussed that it is well known for its biodiversity. So we have discussed that 2/3 of the plant species are found in the Amazon. Now, so far as animal life is concerned, it is home to a wide variety of animals, and there are over 400 species of mammals, over 300 species of reptiles, and hundreds of species of birds. Amazon River and its tributaries are home to thousands of species such as piranhas, the catfishes, and the stingrays. So these type of dangerous fishes are also found here. So today we will do up to the animal life. Next day we will start with the remaining portion, that is the population of the Amazon River basin. So today, dear students, up to this, hope all of you have understood. Go through the video, read the chapter thoroughly, and you are free to ask questions whenever you feel in your online class. So till then, all of you take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.